Hello, trading is closed on February 21st, 2020. We'll go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early high. This is it. Said this target probably wouldn't print. It didn't. We'll add it to the list. It should be seen at some time. We said gapping under this low would seal the top. Well, we didn't gap under the low. A lot of times gapping and promptly taking out the low is just as good, but it's kind of equivocal to me because we didn't really have the type of impulsive drop we were going to have if that sealed the top. Doesn't mean this won't hold, it's just kind of iffy for me. During the day we had a weak sell signal. The target hit immediately. Didn't have to go lower, but we did. This is a pattern which usually closes at the day's high. When it doesn't close at the day's high, it's trouble and drops in a straight line throughout the day. Neither one of those things happened. And since Monday's open substitutes for today's close, we expect this to resolve at Monday's open. When you're going to have a straight line drop, it doesn't normally wait until Monday. If you don't see it during the day's pattern, odds are pretty good you're not going to see it. Furthermore, we dropped all day long, gapped down, hit all these lower lows, closed over all the lows. It's a very positive pattern. In order to invalidate the pattern, you pretty much have to gap under these lows. I think that's pretty unlikely because we have an ending diagonal triangle. Here's your ABC for A, ABC for B, ABC for D, for C, ABC for D, ABC for E. You've started up. Ending diagonal triangle is a positive pattern, typically rallies and the targets to reverse the entire pattern, meaning we should be going back up to the 3370s. And since we look for a straight line move up to complete Friday's pattern at Monday's open, I'm looking for gapping up sharply at Monday's open. Here's what we said. We did get the gap and prompt move outside the day's range. Maybe this top is going to hold, but still kind of wishy-washy to me. We had this as red B. I'm not certain this is the end of red C. Frankly, I was expecting more. This whole ABC could be A of red C. You don't know at this point. But here's your ABC, ABC, A, B, C, D, E. I think this leg's over. Monday's pattern has the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up. These are the patterns for next week. Friday's pattern typically has a rally into the close. Straight line move down. Either happen. Monday's open should be one or the other. Ending in the triangle. Failure of the day-long drop to close under prior lows argues for gapping up probably sharply when trading resumes. We should retrace all of Friday's drop. It doesn't have to be in a day, but frankly this is pretty positive action unless we invalidate it by gapping under these lows. Wouldn't surprise me if it happened in a day. Doesn't mean it has to be. I've been surprised before. So Monday's pattern has the early low. That being said, I'm expecting us to gap up sharply, and that's today's call.